My name is Jane Wilson. I'm the Executive Director of the BC Federation of Foster Parent Associations. Our agency has been providing services to BC's fostering community for over 50 years. In order to minimize the risk and liability to BC's foster caregivers, there are 3 programs you and the foster caregivers should know about. The Extended Property Damage Insurance, called the Rider Program. This program provides protection against the cost of damages to a foster caregiver's property or belongings. A liability program, sometimes called the MIP or the Master Insurance Program. This program provides protection in cases of negligence where a child may be accidentally harmed. And lastly, a legal indemnity program. This program can be accessed by foster caregivers who have been charged with a criminal offense after charges are stayed or they're found not guilty of the charge. For over 25 years, MCFD and the BC Federation of Foster Parent Associations have facilitated the Rider Insurance Program for family-based resources. This coverage is extended to all caregivers who have a family care home agreement with the MCFD, Delegated Aboriginal Agencies, or who provide youth justice beds. Coverage is also available for those foster caregivers who work through private agencies or Aboriginal bands. In this case, coverage can be purchased at a cost of $250 per bed. The Rider Program provides coverage against loss or damage to personal property or belongings that may occur due to the accidental, criminal, or willful acts of a foster child placed in a home by the director. In order to qualify for the rider, the caregiver must be delivering service directly to the ministry or a delegated Aboriginal agency, and the foster caregiver must have their own homeowner or tenant insurance in place. The Rider Program mirrors the foster caregiver's own policy. Claims must be filed after each individual occurrence and be filed within 2 years of the date of the loss. Appendix D of the Resource Work Policy states, on the basis that a caregiver should not be out of pocket related to the authorized expenses of caring for a child in care, the caregiver's deductible cost for Rider Program claims is reimbursed by the ministry after considering the amount of unexpended funds that may be available from the family care home payments. Service payments are not used to cover any deductible. Please direct foster caregivers to contact us for claim filing process information and guidance. The Master Insurance Program, or MIP, provides coverage for all foster caregivers with an active contract. The premiums for foster caregivers are automatically covered by the ministry. This is a negligence policy that covers legal fees should the matter be taken to civil court. If a claim is enacted, a lawyer will be appointed for the foster caregiver by the insurance program contact. There is a $250 deductible applied per occurrence, which is payable by the caregiver. Please direct foster caregivers to contact us for general information about the MIP, or they can contact Aon Reed Stenhouse at 250-388-7577. The Master Insurance Program does not cover any legal costs related to sexual, physical, or emotional abuse. Because sometimes abuse charges are dropped or stayed, or the defendant is found not guilty, there is a legal indemnity program that may offer a reimbursement of a portion of the legal costs associated with a court case. The legal indemnity program is not an insurance policy. Please direct foster caregivers to contact BC Federation of Foster Parent Associations for further information about this program. We are always here to help answer your claims-related questions. You can contact us at 1-800-663-9999.